Let's start super hot pepper seeds. What I have here is a baggie with the name of the pepper and the date, as you can see, that I'm starting the seeds. Of course, I have my seed packet, and these right here are Chocolate Bootla CS. And you're gonna need a damp paper towel. This is one of those paper towels that are like this here, and you just rip it into fourths. Now you're just gonna wanna fold this thing up into fourths also, like this. Take a few pepper seeds, I have like 3 here, and just place them on the paper towel. I did adjust them a little bit to put them more towards the center. Now just fold the paper towel over, the moist paper towel. I'll simply place this moistened paper towel with your seeds inside the baggie. Seal it up almost all the way. I always leave a little bit at the end for some air. Now take this baggie, place it on top of your refrigerator. I always put a towel over it like a dish towel. Check it after a few days to see if a root sprouts from the seed. And when you see that root sprout, you're gonna go ahead and pot it up. You use a container about this side or a red Solo cup, and I'll show you the red Solo cup thing in another video. Place it under a dome on your seed starting mat, or you can even put it under your grow light. And then just wait for it to sprout and break the surface of the soil. If you like gardening and plant content, do me a favor and click that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, everyone.